Good morning, children. Lesson number 3, metals and non-metals. Okay, from this lesson we have to going to see the topic, that is a ore. What do you mean by ore, children? Ore means nothing but minerals. Minerals we have to taken from our earth crust. What do you mean by minerals? Elements or compound that can occur naturally in our earth crust, that we have to say that is a mineral. Okay, mineral, how do you get the name ore? The mineral high percentage of metal can be present, and the particular metal I can be profitably extracted from the mineral. That mineral I called as a ore. Have you understood? அந்த மினரலில் ஹை பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் மெட்டல் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கணும். அந்த மெட்டலை என்னால் ப்ராஃபிட்டாக எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா ஐ செட் த பர்டிகுலர் மினரல் ஐ கால்ட் அஸ் அ ore. Ore we have to set some impurities which can be present, like sand, clay. We can remove the impurities. Okay, and the impurities are the term that's a given, that's a gangue. We can remove the gangue from the ore. Afterwards the ore we have to called as concentrated ore. That ore we called as a concentrated ore. Concentrated ore we have to categorize into three divisions: high reactivity, medium reactivity, low reactivity. High reactivity, medium reactivity, and also we have to say that's a low reactivity. For high reactive metals, so who are all high reactive metal, children? It's a sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium. Okay, these are all present in our earth crust in the form of oxides. Sodium metal it cannot exhibit in the earth crust. Okay, it converted in the form of oxides: potassium oxide, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide. Okay, but we can remove the oxide layer only. I can get the particular metal. How can I remove the oxide layer? I can be undergo, that is a electrolysis process. I can be undergo electrolysis process. I can get the pure metal. Have you understood, children? High reactive metals always present in the form of oxides in the earth crust. Okay, first we have to remove the gangue. That gangue, once it can be removed, the ore is called as a concentrated ore. Then medium reactivity. Who are all metals that's a medium reactivity, children? It's a zinc, Fein, Pb, that's a lead. These are all maybe it can be present in our earth crust. It can be exhibited in the form of carbonate and sulfate. Carbonate ore, sulfate ore are present ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகேவா? For example, zinc it can be exhibited in the earth crust, zinc carbonate or zinc sulfate. Ferrous carbonate, ferrous sulfate. Lead carbonate, lead sulfate. Have you understood? It can be present in the form of earth crust. Apart from this carbonate ore, how can I extract my metals? I can be undergo, maybe I can get carbonate ore means I can be undergo process, that is a calcination process. What do you mean by calcination process, children? Calcination process is nothing but it's a heating process. Calcination process is heating process. Okay, we have to say heat the particular carbonate ore, in the limited supply of air. In limited supply of air, the carbonate ore is converted into oxide. Carbonate ore is converted into oxides of metal. Maybe if you medium reactive metal, maybe that it can exhibit in the form of sulfate. Sulfate present ஆயிருந்தது அப்படின்னா it can be undergo roasting process. You cannot undergo calcination process. Calcination process only we have to apply for carbonate ore. Maybe if we get that's a sulfide ore means we can be undergo roasting process. Roasting also we have to say that's a heating process, but excess supply of air. If you give excess supply of air over the sulfide ore, it can be converted into oxides. Okay, இப்போ oxideலேருந்து I can want my metal. How can you extract the metal? From the oxide, we can removal of oxygen. What is the process it can be undergo, children? It can be undergo, that is a reduction process. Removal of oxygen, we have to say that's a reduction process. If a reduction process undergo panina, afterwards we can be followed our purification process. Still somewhat impurities can be present. We can be purify the metal. purify the metals. I can get 100% pure metal after purification process. Have you understood? Next, if you metals in the form of low reactivity. Low reactivity means we have to say that is a copper, gold, and also we have the silver. Copper mostly it can be present in the form of earth crust, that is a sulfate. Sulfate form of that it can be present. Sulfate means already I said it can be undergo roasting process. Undergo roasting process. Okay, roasting means excess supply of air. Excess supply of air it can be converted into oxides, and the oxides and the oxides means that once that we have to say that's a impure metal, and the impure metal and we can be undergo refining, we can be get pure metals. Have you understood, children? High reactivity, medium reactivity, low reactivity. Now we can be see under one example. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. But now we have to going to see the example. Look at, children. Medium reactivity, we have to set. Are you clear, children? Okay. Medium reactivity, what I am said, children, medium reactivity, the words are in the form of carbonate or sulfates. I going to example, that's a zinc. Zinc comes under the medium reactivity. It exhibit in the form of zinc sulfide or zinc carbonate. If you get zinc sulfide means undergo roasting. Roasting means supply of air, excess supply of air. So plus O2 போட்டிருக்கேன். இப்போ என்ன ஆகும், it's undergo roasting process. The O is supplied to zinc as well as the sulfur. அப்போ zinc is consume oxygen, it's converted into zinc oxide, and sulfur consume oxygen goes to sulfur dioxide. That's a sulfur dioxide gas. It can be gaseous, it can move out. Okay. Next, zinc carbonate. Maybe you have to get the O, that's a zinc carbonate means undergo calcination process. Limited supply of air. Limited supplyங்கிறப்ப நீ plus O2 போடணும் தேவை கிடையாது. plus O2 போட வேண்டாம். ஓகேவா? Zinc carbonate is undergo heating process. Here what is a volatile? It can be volatile substance can move out. Carbonate na என்ன volatile ஆகும்? Carbon dioxide. அப்ப carbon dioxide remove means what is the remaining reactant? Zinc oxide. Appa zinc oxide is coming out as a product. Zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. Both reactants I can get my metallic oxides. Metallic oxide how can I remove the oxygen? I can undergo reductions. Reduction means here I am using the suitable reducing agent. Suitable reducing agent. Carbon, C represents that's a carbon. Carbon is a suitable reducing agent. Carbon is a suitable reducing agent. For carbon just we have to apply as a suitable reducing agent towards our metallic oxides. What happens? Carbon monoxide. It can be removed as a carbon monoxide. I can get zinc metal. I can get the impure form of zinc metal. Impure form of zinc metal. Afterwards I can be undergo purification process. Are you very clear, children? Do you have any doubt? Next we can go for low reactivity. Low reactivities occur in the form of sulfates. Sulfate both. Our copper, our gold, our AU comes under the low activity series. Okay. But low reactivity means it's occur in the form of sulfate both. Sulfate means it's undergo roasting. Roasting means excess supply of air. Roasting means excess supply of air. அப்போ reactants-ஓட நம்ம என்ன போடணும்? Plus O2. Okay. Here HGS. HGS is nothing but our Hg is mercury. Hg is mercury. Mercuric sulfide. The common name we have to set cinnabar ore. Common name that's a cinnabar ore. What is the name of the ore of mercury? Is cinnabar ore. Name of the mercury is cinnabar ore. Cinnabar ore. Okay. What is the formula of cinnabar ore, children? HGS. Just I have to remove the sulfate layer. How can I remove? I can be undergo roasting process. Okay. Plus O2. Excess supply of air. Upper O2 is supply for Hg and also for S. What are the products I can be get? Mercuric oxide as well as the sulfur. Sulfur irundave supply of oxygen irunduchunave namakku reactant side definitely I can get the product sulfur dioxide. Then afterwards I can be remove ஆக்சைடு லேயர். ஆக்சைடு லேயருக்கு இங்கே நீ சூட்டபிள் ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட் போடணும் தேவை கிடையாது. ஏன்னா இது லோ ரியாக்டிவிட்டி சீரீஸ். ஓகே, லோ ரியாக்டிவிட்டி சீரீஸ்னால் ஜஸ்ட் வி கேன் பி ப்ரோலாங்டு ஹீட்டிங். அந்த ஹெச்ஜி கிடைச்சோன்னே just you can be undergo prolonged heating. Still heating oxide layers can be removed as a oxygen gas. I can get the mercury and oxygen gas. Mercury and oxygen gas. I can get my metal with some impurities. I can remove the impurities by refining process. Have you understood? Next, low reactivity. One more example, our copper sulfate. Copper sulfate, Cu2S. What is the formula of copper sulfite, children? Cu2S. S means sulfite. Sulfite means what is the process it can be undergo roasting. What is the process it can be undergo? That's a roasting process. Plus O2. அப்போ O2 can be supplied in copper as well as the sulfur. So I can get copper oxide and sulfur dioxide. Okay, here Cu2O. Here why I am adding that's a Cu2S means Cu2 is act as a good reducing agent. Cu2S act as a good reducing agent. Carbon use பண்ணலாமா? யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? Cu2S, copper sulfate, here acting as a good reducing agent. Good reducing agent, what they can do, just you have to removal of the oxygen taken place in the reactant side. But I can got the products, that's a copper, 6 molecules of copper and sulfur dioxide. 6 molecules of copper and sulfur dioxide. Are you clear, children? We discussed middle reactivity and low reactivity. Middle reactivity occurs in two forms, carbonate mode as well as the sulfide modes. Carbonate modes we have to undergo calcination process. Sulfide modes we can be undergo that's a roasting process. Okay, but low reactivity is occur in the form of only that's a sulfates. You can be undergo roasting process. If you undergo roasting process, I can get oxide of metal. Then afterwards I can be go reductions using suitable reducing agent both. Okay, have you understood, children? Thank you.